So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install Gmail app on your iPhone. So first of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now here, tap on this profile icon. Now as you can see here, my Apple account is logged in on my iPhone. Now make sure you sign into your Apple account on your iPhone, as you will need it to install apps from the App Store. Now once you log into your account, tap on Done. After this, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner. Now here, tap on the search bar and now search for Gmail. Tap on search. Now this is the Gmail app. To install it, tap on this icon and this will start installing Gmail on your iPhone. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. So wait until the process is completed. Once the app is installed, tap on open to launch it. Now this will launch Gmail. And now you can sign into your Gmail account and continue using the app. So this is how you can install Gmail app on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.